Hi guys, Puneet here. In today's video, I'll actually be showing you how do you change your guitar strings. गिटार की strings कैसे change होती हैं. It'll be a hands-on demo. मैंने खुद नहीं की है. I actually went to a studio where I got them changed. तो actually guys, yesterday was धनतेरस. धनतेरस पे it's considered very auspicious कि आप कुछ steel का कुछ purchase करो. So I thought why not steel strings. But मैं जा नहीं पाया actually, and today being Diwali, I went and I got these brass strings into my guitar. So I'll just tell you a few basics first. This is my guitar neck, and these. So it's basically a six-string guitar. So it has six strings. Top three, they are called as the bass strings, and bottom three are called as the treble strings. So starting from top, E, A, D, G, B, E, E, A, D, G, B, E. ये इन स्ट्रिंग्स का ओपन साउंड है. तो ओपन साउंड्स के ही बेसिस पर हम स्ट्रिंग्स को आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं. तो हाउ कैन यू रिमेंबर दैट? ई ए डी जी बी ई, इसका निमोनिक है एलिफेंट एंड डंकी, गॉड ब्लेस एवरीवन, और एडी एट डायनामाइट, गुड बाय एडी. अगर हम बॉटम अप आते हैं तो दिस वाज टॉप डाउन. नाउ वील गो बॉटम अप. ई बी जी डी ए ई. सो every beautiful girl deserves an eye. This was the mnemonic EBGDE. I think with this end in you, I'll tell you something more. As you can make out, ये मेरे गिटार के pegs हैं. इन pegs को when I open up, strings निकल आती हैं. Subsequently, मैं इनमें नई strings डालूंगा. And as we stretch the string upwards, you can see this hole over there. इस hole के अंदर हम string को wound करेंगे. These are my tuning pegs. एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट के थ्रू हम इसको रोल करके स्ट्रिंग को उतने ही एग्जैक्ट प्रेशर पे लाएंगे. दैट एग्जैक्ट जो स्ट्रेंथ होती है स्ट्रिंग की, दैट विल एक्चुअली डिटर्मिन वेदर इट इज़ ट्यून्ड और नॉट. तो इसी के बेसिस पर फ्रेंड्स वील प्रोसीड एंड लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द वीडियो. So guys, here we are. These white dots which you are seeing are my guitar pegs. So one by one these guitar pegs will be removed, and subsequent to this we will be putting the new string into the guitar. So friends, here these are my strings which you can make out are D Dario. I am using an 11 gauge string. The idea is light strings normally are used for leading, but while for strumming you require thick strings that they actually give a nice groovy sound to it. So these are light gauge. They're neither too heavy nor too light. They're perfect for me. So these are the strings I will be going in for. So these are the strings, nice and shiny as you can make out. And now we are into our next process of putting these strings into the guitar. So friends, we've started with putting our strings back into our guitar. The normal order of the strings, if you know, starting from here is E, B, G, D, A, E, or downwards this is E, A, D, G, B, E. Normally a lot of questions which people ask you is that how do you remember that? So there's a mnemonic for that. Elephant and donkey, God bless everyone. E, A, D, starting from here, E, A, D, G, B, E, or the other mnemonic is starting from top down is Eddie 8 Dynamite, goodbye Eddie, E, A, D, G, B, E. So our strings are there, and now we are going from down to the top. As you can make out how nicely this string is going inside the hole. Nice. You can see the nice background music which is being come here. It is being played by acclaimed guitarists of a rock band.
It's only played at Beats Musical.
Yeah.
इसका अच्छा वो गिरा ना भाई.
So guys, we've started the process of pulling our strings back. So we've seen how nicely the string has gone inside the hole. and it has been strung mechanically through this instrument, which is known as so now you can see another soft music coming in the background. The earlier music was through and bass guitar. This time the background music is through a piano. So here we come with the process of cutting the string through the cutter so that the string is of the exact length. And now we've reached the process of inserting our second string. It's nicely being wound, as you can make out. So our second string is also complete. Okay, friends, as we move forward, we can make out we are under the process of fourth string. So after bass guitar and piano, you can hear very lovely and soothing vocals also here. So we've moved towards the end of our process, and we are into the last string now. So we can watch in detail as to how this last string, that is my E string, my low E string, is going inside the peg. Then you just pull it up, measure it to the appropriate length, put it inside the hole, chop off the starting part so as to customize it to the exact length. And then it is being strung in a cyclic manner so as to achieve the desired strength. See, the point here is it should not be under wound or it should not be over wound. To obtain the right and what is the exact tensile strength which is required, and that can be obtained when we actually tune the guitar. When we tune the guitar, we'll know what is the right strength required. So friends, as you can make out, here we are. And now I'll be tuning the guitar, and subsequent to that I'll show you how the guitar sounds. So as you can make out now, first of all my high E string is being tuned. Next is my B string. The mnemonic for that is EBG DAE. Every beautiful girl deserves an eye. Now I move on to my G string. See, we are into G. The green light shows that it's tuned. Next is my D string. Yes. Next is my A string. Just waiting for the green light when it shows D into the tuner. Yes. Finally, I have my high E string. So the down three are the treble strings and the up three are the bass strings, They have got those bassy and groovy sounds. In case you don't have this tuner, Then Guitar Tuner by Musician is another useful app which is used by most of the guitar players across. And I've seen it even outside India also. This is an app which is most popularly used. So Guitar Tuner is a very useful app which you can use for tuning. And before every time you play the guitar, it's important that you actually tune it. So friends, here am I with my tuned guitar. So friends, this was just a demo. You've seen how the guitar strings are changed, how they are tuned. So this is me, Dr. Puneet Kalra, signing off from Beat Studio. Thank you so much for Mr. Gaurav Sharma, who's been instrumental in helping me out in changing my strings and being able to teach you something worthwhile. Thank you, Gaurav, and thank you guys. Keep learning, keep watching this space for more videos. Thank you so much.
Thank you.